Bluebird Digital Technology Training Programs, 2025, started now. About Bluebird Digital Technology, a brief introduction to our company. Our expertise and why join training programs with Bluebird Technology. Here's summer, winter, vocational training program overview, friends. Basic to advanced web development. Tailored solutions for beginners experts. Advanced SEO services. From basic optimization to expert ranking solutions. Comprehensive business development services. Build, scale, succeed. Custom Android app development. Build powerful mobile solutions. Future trends in web development, SEO, business development, and Android. Key innovations for 2025. Contact us for tailored solutions and personalized service, friends.